A team of scientists has studied the unusual galaxy cluster Abell 2744, nicknamed Pandora's cluster. Using telescopes in space and on the ground, including the NASA ESA Hubble Space Telescope and ESO's Very Large Telescope, they have discovered that it was formed by the simultaneous pileup of at least 4 separate galaxy clusters. When huge clusters of galaxies crash together, the resulting mess is a treasure trove of information. Observing these cosmic pileups lets astronomers reconstruct events that have happened over hundreds of millions of years. It also lets them study how different types of matter behave during these collisions. The galaxies in Pandora's cluster are clearly visible in images from Hubble and ESO's Very Large Telescope, but they only make up about 5% of the cluster's mass. About 20% is hot gas, which is shown here in pink. This gas is visible thanks to its X-ray emission, which can be detected with NASA's Chandra satellite. The lion's share of mass in the cluster, about 75%, is dark matter. The dark matter cannot be seen directly and is somewhat of a mystery in modern-day astronomy. But there is a behaves and how the various ingredients of the universe interact with each other. Galaxy clusters are the largest objects in the universe to be held together by their own gravity, and understanding how they form and evolve is a vital aspect of unraveling the history of the cosmos. Learning more about dark matter not only furthers our understanding of clusters, but it also takes us a little closer to fathoming the nature of this mysterious and elusive substance. Now that you've caught up with Hubble, make sure to get the latest from the ground too. The ESOcast highlights the best of the European Southern Observatory and its powerful telescopes that observe from high in the Chilean Andes, at the Southern Hemisphere's best-known sites for astronomical observations.